But I do gotta say, the first thing you smell is the smell of sweet bread. It smells delicious. Hello Mom and Dad Me World. So we are over here across the street from Punalu'u Bakery, the U.S.'s most southern bakery. At least that's what the sign says, but we are just across the street from the park. Apparently it is a very popular bakery. We just saw a tour bus there, had quite a few people come in and then go out, and then another group come in. So it was a little hustly bustly there, so we just decided to come across the street. We got a few of their malasadas to try, literally a few of their malasadas. They all look phenomenal. What she said was they are known for their passion fruit malasada. So we got the passion fruit, we got their original, and then we got their chocolate Bismarck malasada. So let's open this up for you. Ooh, just springs open. Look at this beautiful malasada right here. Let's start with what they are known for. She said they are famous for their passion fruit malasada. That is this one right here. So trying to keep some of this on here. A lot came off, but let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna take a bite out of it. Passion fruit immediately. Nice fresh donut in the middle, but it hits you with that passion fruit.
Is it sweet, tart, tangy?
So the passion fruit on the top, that's your sweetness. That's a little bit of tartness. That is all of your hit you up front flavor. The donut itself, it's soft, fluffy, not super sweet. As soon as you get out of the car though, you can smell the sweet bread, and that's what this donut is, super sweet bread. Very delicious. I do gotta say, price-wise too, not bad at all. Actually, very fair price for what you are getting. And with the bakery right here, you can see them, they're baking everything in the back of house for shipment everywhere. This is their original. See that powdered sugar, excuse me, that plain sugar right on there, just like a sugar donut. Again, the bread, slightly sweet. Sweetness comes from the top, coated in sugar. That's really good. You can tell right there. Nice and fluffy, very delicious. But the one that caught my eye as soon as we got in line there was this one right here. This is their Bismarck. So it's cream filled, not just whipped cream, but cream filled. And you can see the chocolate topping. They took the malasada, the original, cut it in half, filled it in the middle, and then put the chocolate topping. Yes, I know I'm covered in chocolate. So rookie move, no napkins. We didn't get any on us. No, I don't want you to do that. I'll wipe off later, but I want you to see this right here. Nice and sweet. Cream filling, awesome. Not overly sweet. And then the chocolate, nice and sweet. It's like a milk chocolate. Hand in hand together. Just an awesome, awesome chocolate Bismarck donut. Apologies as I'm a mess right here, but we were just right here at Punalu'u Bakery, right here, southern part of Kona. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Super good prices on everything here. Very, very fair, if not extremely, extremely good, and super fresh. So we got this from a recommendation from our rental car place, and great recommendation. It is very, very touristy because there are tour buses here, but for a good reason. It is fresh, it is good, not overpriced at all, not a tourist trap, but lives up to the reputation of just being a darn good bakery that you must stop at. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please leave a chocolatey thumbs up. Really helps out our channel. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now. And share this too. And you should also share a Malasada. So that area over there, that is the main building, and we just sat there for just a split second. But I realized instead of going across the street to the park, I should have probably just came back here, because there is a ton of seating right over here too, where, well, we could have done the video. That is all right. We got to see a nice park right across the street.